Creating ticket queues in Brisk Support. Go to the Ticket Queues page, click Add New Queue, fill out the information, and click Create Queue. Continue watching for more details on how to create ticket queues in Brisk Support. Ticket queues are used to organize tickets to make it easier to manage tickets and assign agents. Click on Ticket Queues on the left side of the page to view the ticket queues. A dispatch queue is included by default. All tickets will go to the dispatch queue until additional queues are created and routing rules are added. To add a new queue, click the Add New Queue button. In the dialog that opens, enter a unique name for the queue. If you want customers to receive an automatic reply that their support request was received, select the box next to Send a Receive Confirmation Message to the customer when a new ticket is created in the queue. This message is sent when the ticket is first created and added to the queue. It is not sent for subsequent replies to the original ticket. In the message body field, type the automatic reply that will be sent to the customer. When all details are complete, click Create Queue to save your changes. Managing existing queues is just as straightforward. Under the Actions column for a queue, click the drop-down menu to choose from available options. Select Edit to update the queue's details. Select Change Agent Assignments to assign or change an agent's role in a queue. To do this, select the desired agent role from the drop-down beside the agent's name, then click Save Assignments to confirm. Administrators automatically have full access to all queues. If a queue is no longer needed and is empty, you can remove it by selecting Delete. For more Brisk Support tutorials, visit the address shown on your screen.